Alright gang, this will be the last Matchmaker run before the Christmas update comes for a second time. Okay, looks like we got a decent team here. Decent team, alright. Hi Exon. It's not Easter, but okay. Alright, first floor everyone. Let's have some teamwork going on. Love the enthusiasm, Louie. Medkit already? Where? And people are... No, Louie! Louie, no! I'll save you! I'll save you! No! No! Oh my god, okay. Dumb. No, it's all about me. Tell your mama, tell your daddy, tell the world. Tell the world! Dandy, why must you torture me? Alright, another floor. Let me do this machine, Louie. Wow, that was quick. Okay, get to the elevator, I guess. Come on, everyone, let's go. Let's go, lesbians, let's go. Oh, great card gods. Why are you all voting blind grab? Oh shit, never mind. I got a freaking bandage. Let's go. Hell yeah, losers. Alright, let's go. Okay. You know, this team isn't as bad as I thought it would. Because, you know, usually team public runs kind of suck. Alright, come on, Distractor. Senor Distractor. Bottle of pop. Dandy, I know you're bald, and I'll blackmail it to everyone in the freaking Garden View if you don't give us some better items at cheaper prices. Oh wait, I just realized I forgot to change my trinkets. Shit. God damn it. Oh my god. Alright gang, let's do this. Another floor complete. Everyone's at the elevator. Come on, Distractor. Distractor. Hayata. Distractor. There he is. Are we forgetting that we have Sprout? Because no one voted the friggin' tapes. Alright, this is when the mains are gonna start spawning. So, everyone be careful. Bro, Shelly is like... Well, if you ignore Gordy, Shelly's like the number one main, you know? Sure, Louie, you can extract the rest. I don't mind. Alright, everyone. Come on. Let's do this. Okay. Everyone's at the elevator. Come on, Distractor Louie. Our Distractor Louie, the purple one. Come on. Finally, something I can afford. Jeez. Good lord. Took you long enough. Well, now I have 2 heals that I haven't used yet, so that's nice. Oh boy. First blackout of the run. Let's do this. My god. You know, if I change my trinkets, this would be a lot faster. Usually I use like magnifying glass and participation award, you know, typical extractor trinket combo, but like, man, I was just paying attention to the time. Suddenly chaos ensues the second there's the first blackout. I got hit and I had to use my bandage. Not the smart thinking sticker. That's crazy. I am very sorry to the purple Distractor Louie right now. I'm sorry. Go, Grandpa, go, Grandpa, go. Go, Grandpa, go, Grandpa, go. You know what's funny? I feel like this was like one of the only times that our healer Sprout was actually the only time which our healer Sprout actually had to heal. Alright, time to leave this stupid floor. Good lord, it was a little more chaotic, but we managed it. You know what? I'm glad they add stickers. You know, because, like, it's just so nice not having to type a bunch, you know? Oh, good golly, another blackout! 2 in a row! And there's a scrap! We had... Oh, wait, no. Crap! I boosted the wrong person, I think. Hang on, Louie. Here, go ahead. Alright. Alright. Let's get out of here. Okay? Can't wait for there to be a May next floor. Totally not jinxing it. Totally not predicting it or anything. Alright. Let's see the twisted combo. Okay. I don't hear any big footsteps. Oh, there's Glisten though. Alright. Sorry, Glisten. We're getting another divorce. This time, I'm taking the car! Gotta. Whatever. Oh my god, another one! God damn, we are filthy rich today. Holy shit. What? What do you want? Oh, someone over here? What? What's going on? Where are we going? What do you want from me? What do you want from me? I'm coming. I don't need your slop, dandy. I already got med kits from last floor and the floor before. My twin is on the floor. Oh my god. Okay, everyone, ignore the amount of machines completed. You know what? I'm glad these ichor splotches, I'm glad they don't have that stupid hitbox where you don't even touch them and they still affect you. I'm glad it's not like that. Oh, sharks. Oh no, vintage Louie. Vintage, no. Oh man, I wish I put the smart thinking sticker. Just purely for sarcasm. I mean, I gotta say, this isn't bad for a public run. I mean, yeah. It's actually pretty nice. No one's toxic. People are actually surviving pretty decently. And we actually made it beyond floor 10. I mean, I'm kind of proud of everyone. Also, ignore the machine number again. Why did I walk in that freaking ichor splotch? My brother goes, oh my god. Oh my god. Okay, what was this floor called again? Junkyard? I don't remember. Oh, no, we can't do it! You must resist! You must resist! Oh, hey, it's this map. It's Sprout's map. Nice. Oh, and there's Shelly, too. Cool. Let's get out of here. Okay, Louie. Exit, other Louie, yada. Okay, that's everyone, come on, purple Louie, come on! Lord have mercy. Look at this! Sandy, hurry up to me! My god! And we got Glisten again, okay. Not that bad of a floor. As long as we don't forget about Glissy. Oh, no. Glisten, where are you? Okay. It's okay, everyone. He's here. He's right here. Okay. Go to team. Honestly, I agree with you, dude. I fully and gratefully agree with you. Bye, Glisten. Bye. Oh my god, bye. Where's Yada? We're not ready yet. We're not ready yet. Okay, suppression. Suppression. And blackout. Boom, 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 wow. Dude, treadmill machines. I have said this before to myself. These treadmills are the best. They are the absolute GOAT. No one can tell me otherwise. Say, remember the Care Bears collab? I actually forgot Care Bears existed before the whole collab thing. Oh, I'm gonna complete the last machine. Oh, I did it. Uh-oh, we're missing one. Oh god, are we missing one? Who is it? Crap, I want to buy the bottle of pop, but my inventory is still filled with medkits and a bandage! Oh hey, it's V's room. Nice. I like V. Hey, 69. I'm so funny. You know, it has been kind of tame so far. I mean, sure, we did have Shelly a couple times, but other than that, it's not that bad. And honestly, trust me, dude, there's gonna be absolutely no way there's gonna be a main this next floor. I wish I could vote medical attention, but like my inventory's full of heals, so that'd be practically useless. So our distractor died. And we got Finn on the floor. Dude, I swear, it's gonna take forever to edit this. Oh my lord. Okay, but like, what does PMW mean? I always assumed it was please marry Wall. Oh, I was gonna say, why do we still have the confused icon? We already dealt with Shelly. And that's another one down, okay. Oh my god. Oh, hey, Astro, hey. Hey. Oh, well, thank you, Brusha. I needed some space in my inventory. Look at that. Look at... Do you see that, Yada? She's working it. You go, girl. That's another hit. Oh, my lord. Half our team is dead already. Holy shit. Alright. Let's see. Oh, 256. That's not bad.